Alright guys, this is a new video for my third Craftsman T22. It's the Craftsman 19 horsepower 540cc Platinum Edition. Otherwise a big useless piece of crap. Posting this video. My last video was my second lawnmower. I told you guys a third one was on its way. I've used this lawnmower 3 times. Probably got an hour and a half on it. And won't start. Just used it yesterday. Got on it today. Blade is disengaged. Parking brake is on. Turn the key, nothing happens. Nothing at all. So I called Sears, just requested my money back. Of course they won't give you money back, and they keep transferring you 4 or 5 different people. I told them I already knew the technician was going to take 2 or 3 weeks to get out here, because that's what all the reviews online say. And today's what, June 16th? They said, yeah, it'll be July 9th. I explained to them that the reason I bought a riding lawnmower is that I'm about to be medically retired. Just had back surgery, and every time these POSs break down on me, I have to push my yard. Of course, that doesn't matter. You know, nobody cares about disabled vets these days. But anyways, just wanted to give an updated video. Hope it helps you guys out. If I were you and you were getting a riding lawnmower, I would not go the Craftsman way, because they are hunks of junk today. And if you didn't know this, where's it at? Well, this one doesn't have it, but oh yeah, it does. I don't know if you can read that. Who it's made by? Husqvarna. So it's actually a Husqvarna machine. Hope it helps you guys out. Later.